Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you in-depth insights on top-tier tech and utility products. In today's episode, we're looking at what might just be the best waterproof enclosure available right now. The YETLEBOX Outdoor Waterproof Electrical Junction Box. Whether you're a tech DIYer, installer, or engineer working in demanding environments, this enclosure could be your next go-to solution for protecting sensitive electronics. Let's start with the build. The YETLEBOX enclosure is made of high-quality ABS plastic. That means it's not only tough and durable, but it also resists impact much better than most standard plastic boxes on the market. This is designed to survive years in outdoor environments without showing wear and tear. And yes, it's built to last through sun, rain, and everything in between. Its IP67 rating is where the YETLEBOX really flexes its muscles. That rating guarantees it's dust-tight and fully protected against water, even from powerful jets. So whether you're installing it outside in a rainy climate or in an environment filled with dust, this box keeps your electronics safe and dry. It's perfect for mounting switches, routers, sensors, or any small electronics that need reliable protection from the elements. This unit measures 8.6 by 6.6 by 4.3 inches on the outside, giving you a compact but spacious area to work within. Inside, you'll find a mounting plate that makes it incredibly easy to set up your components. No need to jury-rig anything or drill into the box's back, just mount and go. And speaking of mounting, the box comes with 4 stainless steel wall brackets, making it super simple to install it on virtually any wall or vertical surface. Let's talk about flexibility. The enclosure comes with 2 1/2-inch NPT cable glands. That means you can securely route power or data cables into and out of the box without compromising the waterproof seal. And the box's ABS body is easy to drill or shape without cracking, which makes it a dream for DIYers who want to add extra ports, mounts, or cutouts for custom projects. Another standout feature is the latch system. Stainless steel latches hold the hinged cover firmly in place, giving you excellent security while maintaining easy access. If you're doing frequent adjustments or updates to your setup, this design saves a lot of time compared to traditional screwed-on lids. It also supports a lockable mechanism, helping prevent unauthorized access when used in more public or high-risk environments. The design itself is minimalist and functional, a sleek gray box that blends well in both industrial and residential settings. It doesn't try to look flashy, instead, it puts all its energy into being a workhorse, durable, protective, and reliable. If you're working on a network install, solar project, outdoor lighting control, or even a remote monitoring system, this enclosure delivers everything you need. From DIY electronics enthusiasts to professional contractors, this is a solid choice that checks every box. Strength, waterproofing, ease of installation, and customization. To wrap it up, the YETLEBOX Outdoor Waterproof Electrical Junction Box is a powerhouse in a compact form. IP67 protection, ABS build, included mounting hardware, and drillable body all come together in a reliable package that performs consistently and protects your tech from the worst environments. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more hands-on evaluations of tools, enclosures, and gear that actually deliver. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.